Hello students, we are now in computer class and we are discussing chapter named as Introduction to a Mouse. Here only two kinds of mouse are there, as in your book it has written, and also I have told to you, named as mechanical mouse and optical mouse. In previous time or earlier, mechanical mouse was popular, and nowadays which of the mouse we used, these are called as optical mouse. See, look at this. This is an optical mouse, and this mouse looked as like the mechanical mouse only. Only the difference is, same way they had the head, the scroll button, left mouse button, right mouse button, and a wire which is connected, called as a tail, which is connected with the CPU. Only difference is, on an optical mouse, it is a kind of computer mouse which uses a light source. See, such kind of light source, typically a light emitted diode, or which is called LED light. Okay, and this light is used to detect the movement relative to a surface. Understood? When you move your mouse on the surface or the mouse pad, it just this light detect the movement relative on the surface, and also according to that way mouse pointer will move on the screen, and whatever the instructions you are giving, to that manner it works. Okay. See, this is another kind of mouse which is obsolete now. This kind of mouse was called as mechanical mouse, and the surface or the front side looks like that as optical mouse. Same things, there is scroll button, left right mouse button, or where is there which one just used to connect the mouse with the CPU. So let's see how the back side looks. Only the difference is, at the back side of this kind of mechanical mouse, instead of LED light, there is a metal ball or a rubber ball is present to move the mouse flawlessly on the surface. Okay, and the rubber ball which was present inside this mouse looks like that. This is a rubber ball. In the place of rubber, it may be the metal ball also. Okay. And when we move the mechanical mouse ball, when the mechanical mouse ball is rolled on any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect the motion and move that on the screen, and mouse pointer move according to that manner. Okay. So now we will just see how mouse works and what are the functions of left mouse button, right mouse button, and what is the meaning of double click. Suppose you can see the arrow like head has come there. This is called the mouse pointer. If you want to select anything on the screen, see there are so many icons are present. If you want to select anything, what you have to do, there are two buttons named as left mouse button and right mouse button. Place your fingers on those buttons. What you have to do, you just place your pointer, mouse pointer on that icon and just do single click or one click on that item. It will be selected. Understood? But in that manner you cannot open any applications or anything there. To open anything or to open this icon, what to do? Then you need to do double click on your mouse button, left mouse button. How to open this? See, so many things are there. I am choosing, suppose, logo. What I am doing? Just 2 times click repeatedly on your left mouse button, the things will be open there. Okay. Next is, what is the function of right mouse button? Right mouse button is used to open a menu. Click on that. See, a menu has come with different kinds of options which you will learn in your higher class. In this manner, by clicking on the right mouse button, you will get such kind of menu with different options. Next is, what is the function of scroll wheel? If you open any application, you will get such kind of scroll bars there, which is used to move the page up and down direction, left or right direction. If you place on this scroll bar and move the scroll wheel on that, the page will go to upward direction or come to the downward direction in this manner. Can you see this? Okay. So this much are the different functions of a mouse and what are the types of mouse that I have discussed. So read the chapters attentively, thoroughly, and whatever the study materials I am going to send, also follow those one. So this much is for today. Thank you so much.